So we are reading, discussing about Vrindavane Bhajan, song written by Srila Prabhupada. So I think we will be able to finish today. Let's see. So we finish up to 22nd song. It was that Shiva Karja Vaishnaver Nahe Ashwadan, Jarode Ashwadan Nahe Shambhavan. So Prabhupada so nicely explained that Shiva Karja Vaishnaver. Vaishnava's duty to serve. Vaishnava's duty is das. Das means servant. So as a das, he is only on purpose to serve. Shiva Karya Vaishnaver. Nohe Ashadan. So a servant cannot relish. Servant's duty to serve. So one thing, servant will service and master will relish. Ashadan. Ashwad means relish, enjoy. Master will enjoy, servant will serve. So as Vaishnava is a servant, so he cannot try to enjoy. He is only on duty to serve, not enjoy. Now, question may come, servant also enjoy with his master. What is the loss in enjoying? But yes, that's true, because master is spiritual. And when servant also becomes spiritual, then he can enjoy. When the material body, you cannot. Jarode ashadan nahe shambhavan. When we are in this material body, we cannot enjoy. For enjoying, we have to spiritual body. That is why, what is that material body? Here, Jarode ashadan nahe shambhavan. Why our body is jaro, material? How we will understand our body become spiritualized? Answer is that Dehatma Buddhi jar shei jaro deho. Now, very nice, what is called? It's a litmus test. Our body is spiritual or material? How we can understand? Dehatma Buddhi jar shei jaro deho. When someone is Dehatma Buddhi, bodily conscious, I am this body, that is jaro deho. But when we will understand we are not this body, then our body is no more material. So unless we know that this is my body, then shei de ashadan nahi kare keho. In the material body, nobody can relish. বৈষ্ণবেতে জাতি বুদ্ধি প্রবল প্রচুর লীলা আস্বাদনে কিন্তু বড় বাহাদুর. So, no, I know. I am not this body, I am soul. I have understood. So my body have become spiritualized, so I can relish now. Somebody may think like that. That is also not right. Because when our consciousness is in the body, like Vaishnava Jati Buddhi, Prabal Prachur. If we think, oh, he is an African Vaishnava, he is an American Vaishnava, he is American. If we have that bodily conscious, Vaishnava Jati Buddhi. If we think this Vaishnava is from that caste, that Vaishnava is a Brahman, that he is Vaishnava, but he came from Shudra family. We are expert in that system, but at the same time, Lila Ashadana kintu boro bahadur. Bahadur means very expert. Lila Ashadana kintu bahu bahadur. He is in bodily conscious. He is discriminating Vaishnava according to their body, caste, creed, but at the same time he want to enjoy. Not only want to enjoy, in enjoying pastimes he is very expert. What is the proof? Then Prabhupada has given nice example. When Prabhupada in Vrindavan, he saw that one peon, a post office. He is a peon in the post office, but he is proud that I am Brahman. I took with the Brahman family. He is proud of that. ডাকঘরে কেরানি এক গোসাই ঠাকুর বাবাজি প্রণাম করে তাহারে প্রচুর. And ডাকঘরে কেরানি means a peon in the post office, but he came from Gosai, like Jat Gosai, Nityananda Vangsha. Their degree is Jati Gosai. Their degree actually, people like Amok Bhattacharya, Sharma, Chaturvedi, Trivedi, this type of Vaishnava give the degree Amok Gosai. As he is Gosai, so naturally he thinks, oh, I am a Goswami. And those are Babaji, Babaji Paramahanshas, they are naturally they are humble. And when they saw that, oh, he is from Goswami family, they respect out of their humility. But that peon of post office, he thinks, oh, see, I am so great. I am Goswami family that Babaji is paying me obeisances. Gosai Thakur kare jati abhiman, Nityananda Prabhu bole kare khanka. That Gosai, the peon of the post office, he is so proud. Oh, I am Nityananda Vamshas. I come from Nityananda family. That is I am Goswami. I may be peon in the post office, but still I am Goswami. That thing is happening in Vrindavan. এই কার্য দেখিতেছি বৃন্দাবন মাঝ, অতএব বুঝি হেথা আছে কিছু কাজ. Prabhupada saying, what about in other place? I am seeing the same thing is happening in Vrindavan also. এই কার্য দেখিতেছি বৃন্দাবন মাঝ. In Vrindavan also, this thing is happening. This Gosai, they are so proud. We are Nityananda Vamshas. And Prabhupada said, by seeing that condition, I feel pity happen. And I thought that I have to do something here. এই কার্য দেখিতেছি বৃন্দাবন মাঝ. This thing is happening, this peon, the post office, is so proud about his Jati Gosai and the Nityananda Vamshas. So, should we allow to continue this? No, we should not allow to continue this. That is why, yes, naturally Vaishnava is so humble, but preacher like Srila Prabhupada, though sent especially by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to deliver this world, so that naturally they feel some responsibility. Yes, I have to do something in Vrindavan. Ateb buji hetha means here. Ateb buji means I understand. Ateb, so I conclude that I understand that hetha in Vrindavan I have to do something. Ase kichu kaj. প্রাকৃত সহজে সব ব্যভিচার করে পরস্ত্রী লয়ে লীলা আস্বাদন করে. প্রাকৃত সহজিয়া means সহজিয়া, but to give their more degree, প্রাকৃত সহজিয়া. Sahajia, those who take this Krishna consciousness movement very easy. Eat, drink, marry, chant Hare Krishna and live happy. So they are Sahajiyas. You can do all nonsense and chant Hare Krishna. They are Sahajiyas. They are Prakrita. Prakrita means materialistic. They are not a spiritual personality. They are absorbed in sense gratification, but they are using this Vaishnavism for their sense gratification. That is why they are called Prakriti Sahaja. They are Vyabhichar kare. Vyabhichar means abominable activities. Achar, bichar, vyabhichar. Vyabhichar means abominable activities. So this this what do you, we can call rascals also. They these Saudiyas ought to think, oh, Krishna did perform pastimes with others' wife. So they also think, if we don't do that type of thing, then how will we understand our Krishna's pastimes? That is why that type of Saudiyas with the other widows, they do this type of pastimes. Paro stri loye lila ashadan kare. They think, if we don't do that type of thing with others' wife, then how will I understand Krishna's pastimes? Prakito Sahajiya sab ব্যভিচার করে পর স্ত্রী লয়ে লীলা আস্বাদন করে পর স্ত্রী means others wife লয়ে by taking লীলা আস্বাদন করে they want to relish pastimes of Krishna, but that is not the teachings of Goswamis. এ নহে বৃন্দাবন বাস ভাব সদা মন গোস্বামীর পাদপদ্ম করহ স্মরণ. Oh brother, oh my mind, bhavo sada mon. Oh mind, please always think, meditate that Enahai Vrindavan Vas. This is not the attitude of living in Vrindavan. Who lived Vrindavan? Goswamis. Goswamir Padapadma Karha Smara. If you want to stay Vrindavan, the way Prabhupada explained, give some example. That is not the, oh no, they are Dhambasi, we should not criticize them. Prabhupada said, that is not Vrindavan Vas. Vrindavan Vas, Goswamir Padapadma Karha Smara. If you want to live in Vrindavan, just meditate the life history of Goswamis. So I'll humbly request, maybe so many devotees are maybe fearful to read Chaitanya Charitamrita, but humbly I'll request, if you don't read the whole Chaitanya, at least read the section of Goswami's pastimes. If we don't know Goswami's pastime, how will you understand? How do you have to do? How they lead their life? Goswami's pastimes, we should know. We should meditate their pastimes. Shara Goswami struck so nicely mentioned. So, Prabhupada told, Enahai Vrindavan Vas bhava sada mon. Oh mind, always think that this type of thing is not Vrindavan Vas. If you want to really reside in Vrindavan, always meditate the Goswamis. Even on Jagadananda Pandit, Jagadananda Pandit, eternal asset Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the incarnation of Satyabhama. When you wanted to Vrindavan, Mahaprabhu said, no, you cannot. You are not qualified. Months together, he is taking permission, Mahaprabhu is not giving permission. Then Sharu Damodar person requested. Then Mahaprabhu gave him permission and said, okay, you can go. What is the condition? You can go and stay with Rup Sanatan. Next, don't stay longer time. And don't mix with the Vrindavan Vasis. Don't think that they are ordinary person. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also ordered Jagadananda stay with Rup Sanatan. So, if we want to stay Mayapur Dham, Vrindavan Dham, we should meditate their life history. We are seeing nowadays a fashion. I have money. I am working in the out abroad. I have a lot of money and bought a bungalow and so many things. I am residing in Vrindavan Dham, Mayapur Dham. No. Here Prabhupada said, Enahai Vrindavan Vas bhava sada mon. Goswamir Padapadma Karha Smara. If you want to reside the Dham, always meditate the the life history of the Goswamis, how they led their life. We are there to serve Vrindavan Dham, not for enjoying Vrindavan Dham, Mahagur Dham. ছয় গোসাই আসি যথা ধর্ম প্রচারিল মহাপ্রভু আজ্ঞা সব ভক্তি বিস্তারিল ছয় গোসাই আসি যথা ধর্ম প্রচারিল দিস সিক্স গোস্বামীস সদ্ধর্ম সংস্থাপক লোকানাং হিত করেন the six Goswamis they went Vrindavan for establish the eternal religious principle. I am also residing Vrindavan. So are your attitude like Goswamis? ছয় গোস্বামী আসি যথা ধর্ম প্রচারী the way they lead their life. We should understand that. They went Vrindavan. Why? Only two activities. Discovered the lost places first time. And they went for finding a lost place, and we are there for finding our place. We have money, we want to find our place where I can buy my land, I can make bungalow, I can make sell some what is called plot or apartment. That is not the Goswamis. They are discovering lost places and writing books. That was the instruction of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu Agya Shab Bhakti Vistarila. With the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they broadcasted the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nitya Siddha Parshad Shab Radha Krishna Smare. তাদের স্মরণে জীবের সর্বপাপ হয়. Now someone can Goswami, Rup Sanatan, Madhavendra Puri, they did solitary worship. So what is the problem in our? But here, so nice statement, don't forget this. Nitya Siddha Parshad Shab Radha Krishna Smare, তাদের স্মরণে জীবের সর্বপাপ হরে. This Goswami, the Nitya Siddha Parshad, when they remember Krishna, Nitya Siddha Parshad, eternally liberated soul, the eternal associate of Lord, when they remember Lord pastimes, তাদের স্মরণে জীবের সর্বপাপ হরে. If they by reciting one place, just remember Krishna's pastimes, by remember Krishna's pastimes, other living entities will be delivered. That is why their remembrance and our remembrance is difference. If possible, please try to memorize this line. Nitya Siddha Parshad Shab Radha Krishna Smare. The eternal associate of Lord, when they remember Krishna's pastimes, Radha Krishna's pastimes, তাদের স্মরণ, their remembrance, simply by remembrance, জীবের সর্বপাপ হরে. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, by sitting in one place, by chanting Hare Krishna Muhammad, I can deliver a world. That is the potential of Vaishnavas. So they can sit down and they can chant and deliver. But we cannot imitate that. Now, how it is possible? Why not possible? When eternal associate there remembering Krishna's pastimes, Krishna manifest in front of them. When Krishna manifests, what happens? Like when sun rises, what happens? Like just imagine, you are a good friend of Prime Minister or President. You are residing in one poor village, and From there, you are broadcasting the message of the president everywhere. When the president got to know you are in that village, will not that president come to see you there in that village? And when that president come to see you in that village, and the road will be made, so many, all the facilities will be made. But that friend of the president, he is not doing for that purpose. Simply by sitting there in his, due to his presence, others will get benefit. You can see the Prabhupada's due to Prabhupada's presence, preaching Krishna consciousness. Now, all the persons on the Vrindavan Dham, they become a millionaire. Their business flourish, their real estate business, they flourish in Mayapur also. The Lohi Bazar businessman, they become flourish. The Bhagavad Kathakar, Bhagavad reciter, they become flourish. Why they become so famous now? Due to Prabhupada's mercy. As ISKCON, Prabhupada priest, ISKCON established, now Bhagavad Kathakars, they are getting a lot of money. The land promoter, the businessman, everybody get. There is material, but still they're getting. Where there you can see surrounding area of ISKCON, where there is ISKCON temple, devotees chanting Hare Krishna Maha, the surrounding area is flourishing, the land price is increasing. So there is material example. And another example you can see, when Dhruva Maharaj was meditating, what did he do? At last, he stopped breathing. And when he stopped breathing, what happened? Whole world became suffocated. It is written in Bhagavatam. Due to his meditation, I am unable to see God, so I should not breathe. Before he was stopped eating, then drinking, then, oh, I am unable to see better. What is the use of surviving? I should stop breathing. And due to his stopping breathing, whole world becomes suffocated. How it is possible? Because he is holding Lord in his heart. And when his Lord in his heart, he stopped breathing, so Lord's breathing has stopped. So whole world naturally will stop breathing. So that is possible. That is why Prabhupada mentioned, Nitya Siddha Parshad Shab Radha Krishna Smare Tadesh Marana Jive Sarva Papa. When the eternal associate of Lord, simply their remembrance, by remembrance, they can deliver the whole world. That is why they can do solitary worship, but we cannot imitate them. But if we imitate, what will happen? Anukorun kori jodi sei bhav dhare maya kabalito hoy sangsar na tare. If somebody want to imitate them, anukorun kori jodi sei bhav dhare. If somebody want to imitate them, maya kabalito hoy sangsar na tare. He will fall in the ditch of Maya. Maya Kabalita. Kabalita means in the grip of Maya. They will under the clutches of Maya. Sangsar Natari. They cannot deliver from this world. You know the history of Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur, by one snake charmer was playing flute. And by seeing him, Haridas Thakur thought, remember the past times of Kali Lila. And by remembering, he started rolling in the dust on the ground. So one Brahman was, and everybody taking dust from his lotus feet. So one Brahman said, oh, he's a Muslim guy, and he's rolling, that is why taking dust. I'm Brahman, if I roll, the other will also take my dust also. And he started rolling. And the snake charmer with the stick in the hand, he started beating that Brahmanas, and he ran away. And on the other hand, he saw, oh, the snake charmer by with a stick in the hand is giving a guard, and others worshipping. So why I should not imitate that? People will worship me also like that. We should not do like that. Better we should not imitate. On the other hand, what should do? প্রচার করো সদা জীব ঘরে ঘরে সফল হইবে জীবন প্রচারের দ্বারে দ্বারে মিন্স দ্বারা প্রচার করো জীব প্রচার করো সদা জীব দ্বারে দ্বারে ও কন্ডিশন সোল প্লিজ প্রিচ প্রচার করো সদা জীব দ্বারে দ্বারে ও লিভিং এন্টিটি প্লিজ গো ডোর টু ডোর জীব দ্বারে দ্বারে সদা প্রচার করো সদা জীব দ্বারে দ্বারে always preach jeep ghare ghare means you can have two meaning. Oh jeep, you go home to home, but here meaning should be like that. Jeep ghare ghare means the house of the all living entities. Jeep ghare ghare prachar karo sada, always preach jeep ghare ghare. That is why book distribution is the best thing actually. Ghare ghare, otherwise how will go someone's house? If you go someone's house, what do you want? If you go, very difficult to approach. But Prabhupada is so perfect person. He gave so nice, take this book and go. So with Prabhupada's book, anybody can go. Prachar karo sada, jeev ghare ghare. Shapal hoibe জীবন প্রচারের দ্বারে. Your life will be successful, others' life will be successful. Shapal hoibe means will become successful. শ্রী দ্বৈত দাস প্রভু দেয় এই শিক্ষা কর উচ্চস্বরে নাম এই তার দীক্ষা শ্রী দ্বৈত দাস প্রভু দেয় শ্রী দ্বৈত দাস শ্রী দ্বৈত দাস শ্রী দ্বৈত দাস means Sri means Lakshmi Devi and here Sri means Radharani. Dvaita means lover. The Radharani's lover means Krishna. The Sri Dvaita Das means Krishna's servant. Who is that? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Sri Varsha Bhanavi Devi Dvaita Das. The Prabhupada they are writing, my spiritual master is Sri Dvaita Das. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's initiated name was Sri Varsha Bhanavi Devi Dvaita Das. Prabhu দেন এই শিক্ষা. Prabhupada wrote that this song I have written, Vrindavan Bhajan. It is not my instruction. Actually, this is the instruction of my spiritual master. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's instruction. Sri Dvaita Das, Prabhu দেন এই শিক্ষা কর উচ্চস্বরে নাম এই তার দীক্ষা. His instruction, chant Hare Krishna mantra loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. So, still some attached in solitary worship. Thank you very much. I think no question.
Hare Krishna Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
नरोत्तम महाराज जी, महाराज अच्छा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया महाराज का।
श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रेम स्वामी महाराज की
जय।
जय श्री प्रभुपाद की अनंत कोटि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय।
जय।